Human connection. The secret to personal and career success. Do you want to get more recognition in your community, in your field or profession? I know it can be so difficult getting new clients and customers. I've actually been there as well, but it doesn't have to be that hard. If you consistently produce content and distribute it correctly so that everyone in your community actually sees it, well, you'll start picking up new clients and customers rather quickly in no time at all. You'll start attracting clients and stop having to chase them. I've been able to do that in a very short time. In fact, that's why you're probably watching this video right now. Hi, I'm Krista Mashore with Krista Mashore Coaching. Everywhere I go in my community, people come up to me and say, "Hey, aren't you Krista?" Half the time, I have no idea who they are. They feel like they know me because they see me on social media and other marketing vehicles constantly. I act as if I know them too. But when my husband, Steve, says, "Krista, who was that?" I have to confess that I have absolutely no idea at all. By showing up in videos, you become a celebrity in your area for your business or profession. You literally become a little rock star. You start attracting business. I was getting my hair done the other day, and a hairdresser said, "That lady over there kept saying that she knew you from somewhere, but she couldn't figure out where." Apparently the woman finally figured it out, and she's told my hairdresser, "I know where I've seen her. I see her videos all over Facebook. I love her videos." The woman lived in a town about 45 minutes away. I stopped by and talked to her for a few minutes, and she said that her family discusses my videos. She was really happy to meet me, and she felt like she said she already knew me. I am not exaggerating when I say that. I literally have hundreds of stories like that. Human connection is the key to personal and career success. I might never have run into that woman, yet through my videos, she had connected with me on a personal level. That's part of the definition of engagement marketing. Marketing that involves the creation and sharing of online materials such as videos, blogs, and social media posts that does not explicitly promote a brand or a business, but it's intended to stimulate interest and connection with its products or service. I've used the same exact strategy to launch my coaching business. Even though my coaching business is on a national, not a local level, I've still been able to make a human connection through using video. I've created tons of free video content about keys to success, which established me as the authority. My first book also contributed. I made sure that that book was well written, had valuable content, and was very professional looking. The people from all over actually saw, wow, she's a best-selling author, and she really knows what she's talking about. Now, anytime I go to a conference, whether it's in Florida or in Dallas, I have people that come up to me and stopping me and telling me that they love seeing my videos. They tell me how much they love my books and how much I've helped them and how inspiring it's been. Remember, the point is to give value and establish yourself as the authority, not just to become a celebrity. And trust me, I'm no celebrity, for sure. Lately, we've really been focused heavily on YouTube and Instagram. Within 1 month, we've had over 10,000 hours of video views on YouTube. Then we launched a podcast called Fired Up with Krista Mashore. We've already had over 100,000 downloads and over 200 5-star reviews, all in under just a year. See how amazing it can be? The key is to use the power of the internet and post your videos in as many places as you can to get the most exposure. And of course, you'll post them on your website and you'll email them to your clients and your prospect list as well. And also be sure to pay attention to the most times that people actually go online on the avenue that you're sending them. Also, you want to post them on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and to any new social media platform that comes along. I'm sure by the time you're seeing this video, and maybe before I actually finish this sentence, somebody's going to be coming up with a new platform on social media, and we'll have to be posting there too. I hope this is value to you. And again, I'm Krista Mashore. Let me know what you think by commenting. And as always, I'd love for you to share this if you're watching it on Facebook, and be sure to subscribe if you're seeing this on my YouTube channel. And as always, I'm here to serve. Krista Mashore with Krista Mashore Coaching, and I will see you next time. Hey there, I have a brand new podcast called Fired Up with Krista Mashore, where I bring my high energy right to your ears. This podcast is available on all your favorite podcast platforms. So do me a favor, go subscribe and leave a review. All this information is free, and I cannot wait to teach you everything I know. Thanks so much for watching my video. You can learn more about how to be a successful real estate professional by watching other videos that I have. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, make it a great home selling and buying day.